Hey everyone, this is Abel in Vegas, and it is time to unveil the Rookie Explosion Box, Volume 3 by Philmington. So I've already done the damage and taken the packs out of the box. So we have 12 packs here, and we'll start from 1984. This pack was created when I was only 2 years old. So there you go, that dates me. But in 1984, we have players like Don Mattingly and Darryl Strawberry that you could chase in these little packs, as well as some fabulous Top Scum, I believe. So if you guys don't know about the Rookie Card Explosion Box, I subscribe, so I have a subscription, and the gum is there broken. Well, there it goes. So this is not a PSA 10 piece of gum. It's already broken, so we'll just throw that in the trash. So I will link Philmington's channel if you guys are interested in getting some of these boxes. So let's get started here. So we have a Mike Torres base. Hey, a Dodger card for the PC. Mike Scioscia. That's pretty cool. We'll put him over here on top of my slabs. We have a George Hendricks for the Cardinals. Marty Bistrom for the Phillies. Another Dodger card, Jerry Roos. Put him over here. Oh, there was 2 cards stuck to that. Ooh. So we have here for the Braves, Terry Forster. For the Cardinals, Steve Braun. Hey, we have a Ricky Henderson card. There's 2 little specks there. I don't know if that's probably not part of the card, but that's pretty neat. We'll put that over here. We have a Steve Renko. For the Angels, we have a batting and pitching leaders of Rod Carew and Jeff Zahn. Then we have a manager card, Ralph Hawk. We have a Cubs card of Keith Moreland. And another Athletics card of Carney Lansford. A Cardinals card of Floyd Rayford. And a Phillies card of Joe Morgan. And then we have the bonus card, which is All-Star Game, with the piece of the gum. Next, we have a 1990 Leaf Series 2 with 3 puzzle cards. And here you could find Frank Thomas or Larry Walker. Those are the rookie cards. Let's see here. Oh, this one's taped pretty good. This is Series 2, and I can't get this open. There we go. Purple Rain here in the back. A little bit of the purple. Come on. There we go. That was a little difficult. Let me take this chrome card here. Who knows if somebody collects these puzzles, but we don't want to get a fingerprint on them. All right. So we have Billy Ripken. We have a no-hit king, Nolan Ryan. That's pretty neat. I like that card. We have a Greg Myers, Jack Daugherty, Francisco Oliveras, Matt Young for the Mariners, Joe Klink, Mark Parent, Alan Mills, Jose De Leon. Hey, we have a Brian Harper. Not the Harper that's playing now, but it's a Brian Harper. Ted Power, Ron Robinson, Daryl Akerfields, Jeff Montgomery, and Daryl Boston. Alright, so nothing really much there except for that cool Nolan Ryan. Now we go to 1992 Bowman. And here we have a couple options that we could find. We have Mariano Rivera. We could find a Mike Piazza PC hit. We have Trevor Hoffman, Carlos Delgado, Manny Ramirez, or possibly a Pedro Martinez first Bowman card. Alright. This one seems to be a little easier to open, which is good because the other one, the previous pack, was really tough. So let's start with the gold one just so that I could sleeve that. So we have an Elston Hansen. Put that over there. Alright, so we have Craig Paquette. We have a Derek Lowe. Is this a rookie card? And I know he pitched for the Dodgers for a while. So that's pretty neat. I'll go ahead and penny sleeve that just in case. We have a Curtis Shaw. We have a Darryl Ratliff. Hey, we have a Ken Griffey Jr. card. That's pretty neat. Penny sleeve that one. Brad Pennington for the Orioles. John Eriks, Jay Buhner. We have a Deion Sanders. That's pretty neat. A Victor Cole, Steve Sachs, Frank Seminara, Jose Offerman for the Dodgers, and Jeff Montgomery. So no Mariano and no Mike Piazza. Still some pretty neat cards. Now we go on to 1993 Pinnacle. And we are looking for the Derek Jeter card. So let's take a look and see if we find it. Oh, this is the pack that has the sticky cards. So here we have Tom Henke. We have the expansion draft, Jim Tatum, a Tony Fernandez for the Mets, a Rodney Bolton, Bill Spears. What is this? This one says the Idols. Alex Arias and Dave Winfield. That's interesting. We have a Robbie Thompson for the Midgets. Joe Orzulak. Pete Janicki for the California Angels of Anaheim. We have Pat Mahomes. We have another Joe Gracchi for the California Angels of Anaheim. Ray Sanchez. Henry Cotto. Gary DiSarcina. And Jaime Navarro. So no luck on the Derek Jeters. So now we can travel forward in time to 2010 Bowman Chrome. So here we have tons of possibilities of current players like Jose Altuve, J.D. Martinez, Giancarlo Stanton, Francisco Lindor, Steven Strasburg, who went to San Diego State. Gary Sanchez, Josh Donaldson, Aroldis Chapman. You can also pull autographs of Gary Sanchez, Aroldis Chapman, and Miguel Sano. So we're going to start with the Yankee card of Curtis Granderson. We have a USA, AJ Venegas. Scooter Gennett. I think he's playing right now, isn't he? Oh, go ahead and sleeve that. And for the Texas Rangers, Michael Kirkman. So don't know who that is. Now let's move forward to 2013. 2013 has nobody. No good players in this one. Probably a junk pack here. I'm just kidding. So here we have players like Nolan Arenado, Christian Yelich, Yasiel Puig, which I'm happy he's no longer with the Dodgers, Didi Gregorius, and Anthony Rendon, but that's just me. So here we have Andrew Bailey, a James Russell, a Mike Zunino rookie card. Penny sleeve that one in a minute. We have a Randall Delgado. And then we have a green all-star card for Adam Jones. Go ahead and penny sleeve that one. We have franchise forerunners. So we have Shelby Miller and Bob Gibson. We have a home run derby card of Michael Kadire. A home run card of Prince Fielder. A all-star game card of Andrew McCutchen. And an all-star game card of Alan Craig. So, no big names. So the beat goes on. Now we go into some Stadium Club. Let me switch my sheet over. This is 2014 Stadium Club. So here we have some more Mookie Betts, George Springer, Xander Bogaerts, and possibility of some autos of the same, and adding Jose Abreu. So our first card is Jared Weaver. So Stadium Club nowadays it's more glossy. But then we have here a Steven Strasburg card. We do have something shiny coming up. It's a Beam team of Manny Machado in his Orioles uniform, because that's the team he used to play for back then. I have been eyeing some of his Dodger cards. It is not numbered, but that's still, look at that. You know, it's funny. So if you take a look at these squares, this is the Stadium Club in 2014. And if you look at Panini in the Optic cards, and I don't think I have one close by. Do I maybe? Nope, I don't have one close by. Oh wait, hold on. There we go, I have one. Check this out. Look at Panini Optic. Notice the similarities? Very, very interesting. Alright. I'm going to go back now to showing you the rest of the cards. We have a Carlos Santana. And we have, oh, look at this. We have a George Springer rookie card. And check out that jersey. Man, that is awesome. That is so cool. I like this card a lot. Pretty nice. Shout out to Big Marv, who likes the Astros. Now let's go over to 2017 Heritage Minor League. Here's our first sighting that we could have of Juan Soto and Eloy Jimenez. And with the season starting here in the next day or two, Eloy Jimenez is making, or did make, the roster. So here we have Tyler Beede, We have Jorge Ona from Fort Wayne. It says, oh, here's a Gleyber Torres. It says, you have just received a Clubhouse Collection relic card from 2017 Topps Heritage Baseball. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is a thickie. Look at that. So this is a Gleyber Torres Clubhouse Collection relic. Does have a little ding here at the top. This is awesome. This is nice and thick too. Hold on a second. This might take a minute. Little trick for you guys. If you guys didn't know that, you could do that to the penny sleeve. And then that way, your corners doesn't mess up. Check that out. That is awesome. Nice, cool hit. Minor league Gleyber Torres. And the last card, since there was a thick card, we got less cards, but here we go with Justin Dunn. Now let's go over to current year, or last year, 2018. Topps Chrome. I like Topps Chrome a lot. And we're starting off with the rookie card of Clint Frazier. But I remember going to the hobby shop, getting the last packs in the box, and pulling a Devers auto, purple. Here we have a Sandy Alcantara rookie card. Sleeve that up. Got Noah Syndergaard insert. And a Jonathan Scoop. All right. Now we have some 2018 Topps Gallery. Now, I did not get any boxes of Topps Gallery. I really like these cards, so this is going to be my first chance at getting to see these cards. So we start off with a rookie card for Garrett Cooper for the Marlins. I really like this design. These are very beautiful cards. So let me go ahead and sleeve this one. We have Trey Turner for the Nationals. We have a Miguel Gomez for the Giants rookie card. This is a rookie pack. Another Clint Frazier rookie card. We have a featured artist card. Whoop. Get in there. Wow, this was 4 rookies. Was it 3 or 4 rookies in this pack? Wow. That's pretty awesome. Nick Williams. Not numbered. Artist collection. And then these are just the people who designed the cards. If you want to follow them on Instagram, there you go. And now we go into 2018 Heritage Minor League. Let's see if we can make our pro debut with the Richmond Flying Squirrels. So here we can get some minor league cards of Vlad Guerrero, Eloy Jimenez, Tatis, autos of Joe Adell. I wonder when they're going to bring him up now that they've signed Trout to a long-term deal. But I know he's one of their biggest prospects right now as well. We start off with Trevor Stefan. The Fire Frogs, Bryce Wilson. The Bees Don't Get Stung by Griffin Channing. Or how about the Curve? Get Brian Haynes. The Shorebirds, Mike Bauman. Sky Sox, Corbin Burns. The Redbirds, Adolis Garcia. And Dash, Dylan Cease. Alright, now we come down to the last pack. As Frank Sinatra was famously sung, we've come down to the last pack. 2018 Topps Update. This pack needs no introduction because there's a lot of great players in 2018. So we'll start with Aroldis Chapman, Asdrubal Cabrera. We have Jurickson Profar. We have a rookie debut of Scott Kingery. We have a Brad Hand for the San Diego Padres All-Star card. Our 85 throwback is Patrick Corbin. Carlos Santana for the Phillies. Adam Engel trying to make a catch. Then we have Felipe Vasquez and Matt Adams. So there you go. That is the break. I think you could say it's highlighted definitely by the relic of Gleyber Torres from the minor league. That's an awesome card. I also like this one a lot. The George Springer. Just a rookie card you don't see often, so that's pretty neat. Then you have the Beam team of, just really like that. I think that's it. Some cool inserts. If you think about, you have Deion Sanders, and then the Ken Griffey, and Derek Lowe, and Nolan Ryan. So there you go, guys. If you guys are interested, this is a really fun product to break. Lots of opportunities to pull some really cool cards, and now I can't wait for April. So it's my birthday month, so hopefully Philmington sends over another cool box. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.